Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. I am Annabelle, 1/5. I'm going to say 1/2 still because it's just easier, you know. I'm a bit of just wondering. There's me, James, Bodie and Willow and Mabel. Anyway, today it's quite late. I've just decided to march up to the allotment because I want to burn some energy. I think I've got a little bit overstimulated at home, trying to just keep clean the house and things, and got a bit in my own head, so I thought, do you know what, even if it's only an hour, walk up there, walk back, have a nice little potter around, do something, and then I'll feel better. So me and Bodie are on a mission to beat the darkness and get up to the allotment. Let's go. So we've made it to the allotment, and I need to show you what has changed, but we've made it. Mummy's just started a fire, so let me show you. I love doing this. So I'm just burning off some brambles and bits that we need to get rid of. So yeah, let's get this fire going and a bit of clearing done at the allotment. Now this is the first fire I've ever done on my own, and I'm quite proud of myself. It's smoking a bit at the minute, but I've just put loads more on. This is what I'm clearing. So I've cleared the pallet. This is what I'm putting on now, but I think this is good. We thought that this was a massive pile of just twigs and stuff, so we were going to burn it all. There's compost under it. There is compost. Let me show you. Right. Hang on, I can't get the camera out properly. Look, like under here, like this is good stuff. Look, it's all here. So I've just got to go to this top layer, and then we can fill the beds with all that compost, which is amazing. Because we were wondering what we were going to do. We were going to put some of the twigs in, but I've decided to burn it. It's fun, isn't it? So I'm going to get rid of as much of this as I can while I've got the fire on. And then yeah, we'll be putting the compost into the beds. I just realised I'm not in focus. Better? Did you want to see me clearly? But yeah, that's exciting, so let's carry on. I'm actually crying, and I think I've got a thorn in my ankle. My foot went right into the pile of compost. Let me show you where I'm at now. So, I mean, someone tell me if I'm wrong, but that looks like it's been there like for years and it's all just rotted down. And now it's dead good dirt. Still gotta get rid of a bit there, but oh, Bodie's not best pleased. I've made a big pile there now. Made a pile here now to burn, which is going okay. Bestie's getting a little bit upset. We're hiding in behind the greenhouse. Bestie! Bestie! Do you want to look at yourself? Ready? There he is! Hello? Can you wave? Say hiya! He's covered in pouch, that's how we're distracting him. Hence for the blankie, also covered in pouch, eh? Yeah, yeah, it's Mama and Bodie. Dada's at work. Dada's gonna be impressed with Mummy for doing a fire on her own. Yeah? Yeah! I think I'm going to have to call it quits with the fire now because it is starting to get dark and Bodie's starting to get a bit more irritable. So I'm going to let that burn down now, and I'm going to have a look at this area here and just see if I can get a little bit more grass out before I have to head home. Might not be able to, but we'll see. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. It is a rainy day. I am here with Bodie and I'm here with James. Me and Bodhi are currently hiding from the rain in the car, and James is shoveling chip into some new beds. Let me show you. Right, so we have got some palette colours. Look at the steam. That James is currently shoveling out of our big pile into our beds, for the bottom of our beds, to try and fill them up a bit. And I don't know if you can see in the distance, but we've made a makeshift fence. Haven't we? Huh?
Annabelle's knitted off that corner, as she's probably showing you. We've just built a cheap fence.
Same principle as this
boundary
one.
barrier thing.
Yeah.
We'll grow some plants a bit sort of once the summer.
Yeah.
There.
He's filling up the palette colours.
Not too much.
Well, no, but enough so that we don't have to spend loads on soil. And then it's raining. So right, so we are filling the colours one colour high with
my gloves.
And chip. With chip. And I've just hidden James's gloves in the one.
Lovely.
Smell lovely. So we're just filling this one here, and then we're putting another colour here. So we'll have 4 in a row. Look at this. It's starting to look really good. Obviously no one needs leveling out. Good job, model. Brian. Or can we have it in line? It's horrendous. Yeah. So now we'll have 4 raised beds there, which is good. They're all a bit wonky, but it's fine. Yeah, we're going to put that one there. This bit's all going to be like growing into the ground. This bit's all going to be fun raised beds. And then let me show you our fence. So, I don't know if you remember this bit, it's just full of brambles. So what we've done, same principle as the front, is we have brought some stakes and just ran twine down, because then anything behind that, we've took out loads, is next door's blocks we don't want to eat into hers. That is our greenhouse staging, but we'll take that back in a bit. Hello. But yeah, that is our new fence. And then behind the shed, this all needs dealing with. Behind the shed we have found our mirrors and lots of compost, which will be going in the raised beds. And I found that, and I don't know if the walls are that that's hers or if that's ours, but it's like deep within the bush. But I think it's hers. Don't mind the shed, it's bad. But yeah, so that's a burning pile. Here's James doing some work. And then we'll have 4 raised beds. Pose for a thumbnail. Yeah, cool. Time to pack up. Here is a mallet.
Thank you.
Gloves. Well, my gloves are in your car. So I'm going to get them. So we've just filled the 4th container. There's James, who always cut his forehead off. And so we've done all up to 1 palette colour with a chip to let it kind of start doing its thing. Next time we'll fill it with compost. Yeah, let us know if that's completely the wrong thing to do. But it is raining. Our doggies have been alone for a little while, so we need to go back to them. So we'll see you in the next one. Bye! Say bye bye!
Maybe not.
Bye bye!